What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to do a quick video just showing my new bike. It's a Diamondback Release 3 2017 model. I've had it for about 2 months now. The reason why I got it pretty much has everything I'd want on it. There isn't really much I'll have to change, and for the price, just felt like the value was real good for the components that you get, and it definitely fits my budget. Yeah, so far I'm really liking it. It's doing everything I'm asking it to. Pretty much the bike I was riding was about 11 years old. So I just wanted something that was more up to date with the technology and everything that's going on now. So a lot of this stuff is somewhat new to me. Like the 1x drivetrain, that's new. Air rear shock, air front fork, that's new. My other bike was dual suspension or full suspension, but it wasn't air. Dropper post, that's definitely new to me. I'm really enjoying that. I have both tires set up tubeless right now, so that's new also. My other bike was a 26-inch, this is 27.5, so that's definitely different. But yeah, so far I'm really enjoying it. I really dig the paint scheme on the Release 3. So I don't really see me changing anything real big yet. I'll use the tires that are on there at least for a while. I'll probably switch them out later on. Pedals, I mean, they work. Maybe I'll switch them out, maybe I won't. I do flat pedals, so I mean, they serve their purpose. Seat, I like the seat, I like the way it looks, but I'm not sure. I'll just have to ride it for a while and see how comfortable it really is. Up front, just an easy thing that might change out is the grips, but for now they're working. Well, yeah. Just for now, this will be the bike you'll see in my videos. It's my main bike, so if you like my video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. If you haven't ever subscribed, feel free to subscribe. Definitely appreciate that. And if you want to leave comments, comments are always fun. I'm usually pretty good about responding, so feel free to leave comments. And thanks for watching.